Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
Export. Like we have seen before, we can export views, we can export ray tracings, we can export DWG layout plans and IFC models. Let's start with the views. Let's suppose you like this view here, for example. By the way, for this door, the handle should be here because the door should be opening to this direction, not the opposite, but it's okay, it's a small detail. We can save a view by clicking on Save View. We can save, for example, this view here again. Then if you want to save them to your computer, you click on Save. Ray tracings, it depends on your computer, but if you have a powerful computer, then it's always better to have the highest resolution. It's also good to calculate the highlights. Then you can, also select this one for the HDR format, and then afterwards you could create and save HDR, but I don't need this one. I can, for example, choose like a cool view, for example, this one here, and then I can run or start a ray tracing. This is how the ray tracings of this bedroom looks like. It looks very realistic and very good. You can see the reflection on the window. You can see the materials, all that looks very good. And you can do the same thing for as many views as you want. You can take another ray tracing here, you can take another one here. It depends on how many of them you want. Then on the DWG, these are the layers, the elements you can include in your layout plan. For example, the space contours, the space designation. I don't need that, for example. Windows, doors, and skylights, I don't need that. Beam and ceiling construction, I'm gonna keep that because I have used the beams to make the tracks. The luminaires, you can either choose one layer for all luminaires or one layer per product type or one layer per arrangement. Let's make it one layer per product type. And then, yes, I'd like to have the luminaire list on this, on the layout plan. Reference lines, I don't need that. Objects, I don't need them because I already have them in the DWG plan. Or if you want to keep them, they're gonna be there. But I will hide them, I don't need them. Then, calculation surfaces and points, I don't need them because they're gonna be included in the PDF report. That's going to be in the documentation. And then I will choose the format of the AutoCAD I want to export the file to. The units of measurement, they are inches, and then I export to a new file. Save, and it's exported. By the way, like you can see here in the side, every element I don't include, I exclude in my layout plan. It disappears from here. But don't worry, it's not gone forever. If you go back here, you're gonna see everything. Well, I don't want to click on documentation. I wanted to click on export. Sorry, so I will go back to export. Well, it's gonna take some time. Well, we're gonna wait. Okay. Export. Then IFC model. We have the IFC file type. We have the 4 of them like we have seen before. Let's keep the IFC. Then we have this version 2.3, and then you export to a new file.
Great job. Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.